The Voopoo Argus, very nice little kit, and it's very compact and very easy to use. It comes in 5 different colours. We've got 3 colours on display here. We've got the lychee, leather and red. We have got the carbon fibre, and then we've got the grey, which I'll just turn around for you now. Very, very nice colours. So what I do really like about this device is not only do you get 1 pod, but you get 2 different pods with this kit. You will get the mouth to lung pod, which is the one which is on the device now. Very, very small mouthpiece, so it does feel like a cigarette when you're using it. And if I pop that one out and pop this one in, you get the high-end pod as well, so wide mouthpiece which will give you more vapour and more power. But the good thing is you get the choice of those, so even if you wanted to, you can start off on the mouth to lung pod. In the future, when you want a bit more of a kick, you can take that one out and put that pod in. So coils for this device, everyone knows with the Voopoo PMP coils you can get massive amounts of different ones to suit your needs. Included with this kit you do get the TR1 coil, which goes very well with the mouth to lung pod. It maxes out at 15 watts, so not a lot of power there. And then you also get the VM1 coil as well. So this one does max out 40 watts, so it does go hand in hand with this bigger pod here. Lots of flavour, lots of power. You can get lots of different coils for this device. You find which one suits you the best, you'll be rolling. So just thought I'd show you quickly how to insert the coil and fill the pod up. So we've got the bottom of the pod here, and here is the coil. So all we're going to do is push the coil in and then pull the coil out. And the way you fill the pod up is you have got a little bung at the side here with an arrow on. So all we're going to do is lift that bung up and pop it down that hole there, and then that bung just closes. And that is the same with all of the PMP pods. So here is the screen of the Voopoo Argus. Very nice little screen here. You've got your plus and your minus buttons at the bottom of the screen to turn your wattage up and down. So what I do like about this device as well is you can have it on auto mode where you don't have to press the button, and you can have it on press mode where you have to press the button. Very easy to do. So just with the fire button here at the moment it's on A, which means you don't have to press the button to use it. 3 quick clicks of your fire button will change it to P. So 1, 2, 3. And that's changed over there. The maximum wattage of this device is 40 watts. For a little starter kit, that is very, very good. Lots of flavour, lots of power. And then at the bottom here as well, you've got the Type-C charging port. It is only a 1 amp charge, so don't go using any phone chargers. But the fact it's got the new Type-C port is absolutely brilliant. So this awesome starter kit does have a 1500 milliamp battery. It's got a controllable airflow, and last but not least, one thing I absolutely love about this device is you can attach a lanyard to it and put it around your neck. How about that, guys? Get yours today.